Hi guys, welcome back aboard to the Crypto Cruise. It's me Chris, and today we're going to talk about Polygon, or previously known as Matic. What Polygon is all about, what makes it unique. We're going to talk some chart analysis, potential price target, where Polygon is heading in the immediate short term. But not only Polygon, of course, we're also going to talk about Ethereum. And today's show, we're going to start with the Bitcoin chart as we always do. And today we experienced a correction, and I can read in the comments there's a lot of bearish sentiment. A lot of people has already written off the crypto market, and they're thinking that we're in a bear market. Well, I don't see any of that. Now I see nothing but bullish momentum, guys. I see nothing but raging bull market. Again, anything I say in this video, it is not a financial advice. It's for pure entertainment purposes. And before you do anything, do due diligence and make your own research, because as I've said, this is definitely not a financial advice. But me, I'm definitely not selling. Of course, along the way, we're gonna have corrections. Right now, we're experiencing a correction, the way I've told you. But the next bounce, the moment we start bouncing, we're gonna see some of the alts to go absolutely ballistic. We're very close to the altcoin season, in my personal opinion. I think the next coming probably weeks, we're gonna experience the altcoin season. Now, is it possible for Bitcoin basically to drop further down in price to potentially 97 to even 94,000? Absolutely. Is that gonna shake me off? Absolutely not, because I believe in what the chart analysis are telling me, and I see nothing but bullish momentum. We just have to establish one thing: we're in a raging bull market, guys. The bottom of the bear market happened over 3 years ago in November of 2022 at price of around 15,000. At the time of recording this video, Bitcoin is above 102,000. And I don't know, a lot of people has written off the crypto markets. In my personal opinion, that's exactly what you shouldn't do. If you've been holding for so long and then all of a sudden you change your mind, you shouldn't be in the markets. But if you're asking me, we're in a raging bull market. The true speculation of the altcoin season hasn't kicked in. It's about to happen, and we're gonna see a huge inflow of money into some of the crypto assets, and Bitcoin as well. I mean, again, I still remain bullish, and I still believe that by the end of this year, we're gonna start hitting all-time high prices above 127,000 for BTC this year. Again, we can even further down in price. We can drop further down in price, but not much further than 94, 95,000. I mean, this is something the charts. But I'm anticipating a huge bounce eventually, and with that to pull the rest of the crypto market with it. Now, when it comes to Ethereum, again, I see nothing but bullish momentum. Reverse head and shoulders, ascending triangle pattern. Here we start forming it from 18th of March 2024 all the way to here, and basically now we're correcting a little bit, but we have to look at that move from 7th of April of 2025, a price of around 1,200. We went all the way to 5,000 in a matter of 4x for ETH in a matter of 2 months or 3 months. Now experience a little correction for another huge massive upside momentum, and the next move potentially this year Ethereum can end up to 6,600. With that, is going to pull the rest of the alts with it. One final shake off and a blow off top by March, April of next year. Everything is aligning for that move, and I'm definitely bullish when it comes to Ethereum. I'm definitely bullish when it comes to BTC, and I'm definitely bullish when it comes to Polygon as well. Again, Polygon can easily go to zero, so always do diligence and make your own research, because as I've said, this is not a financial advice, and nothing in the markets is guaranteed after all. Just the way I'm anticipating the markets to move much further, they can easily go to zero. So nothing in life is guaranteed, nothing in the markets is guaranteed. But in my personal opinion, I think Polygon is heading for huge upside momentum. Now we're consolidating in these prices, but what I'd like to see for Polygon basically is to go and start testing this resistance line that we've tested twice here in the past, in February of 2023 at price of around $1.56, and then we tested it here again in March of 2024. So basically, if we start recovering the way I'm anticipating, Bitcoin start hitting price of above 110,000 the next coming weeks. ETH start testing all-time high prices. Some of the outs will go absolutely crazy, absolutely ballistic, and Polygon is one of those coins. So if we go and take out this local top that we formed at the end of last year in December of 2024, a price of around 76 cents, we go above it, we start testing this resistance line and above 85, 86 cents, turn this previous resistance into support, and from 85, 86 we can quickly go to its previous all-time high, $2.90, $3. And if we break above it and we have a full price discovery, who knows, we can even go a price of above $10. I mean, we just have to look at what happened previously. Basically, in a matter of months, here, end of December of 2020, the price for one Polygon, previously known as Matic, was around 1 cent. Just a few months later, in May, so 3-4 months after that, this thing went $3. So 300x. Am I calling for 300x? Absolutely not. But since we've established that that's what happened previously, is it possible for Polygon to go pretty much 50x from here? Absolutely not. But we have to take one step at a time. We have to look one trade at a time. Let's see how Bitcoin is going to move. Let's see ETH is going to move. And of course, even if Bitcoin start hitting all-time high prices and Ethereum start hitting price of above 5,000, this doesn't mean that the altcoin season will happen. In my personal opinion, altcoin season, the true speculation of the altcoin season is definitely happening. But this doesn't guarantee that Polygon is going to be one of those coins that's going to benefit. Something might go wrong with the network, and Polygon can easily go to zero. So always do diligence and make your own research, because as I've said, no one can predict the future. I don't have a magic ball, but judging previously of what happened the previous bull cycle, once Bitcoin, as I've said, start hitting all-time high prices, the true speculation of the altcoin season, Polygon has the potential to outperform Bitcoin and Ethereum, not in the long term, but in the short term. Let's see how this thing is going to play out. It's interesting for me to see as well. And yeah, let's see. Once again, guys, thank you all for tuning in. I really appreciate all support. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube, please do it. It's absolutely free. And if you want to support my work, you can subscribe to my Patreon. With that subscription comes a lot of exclusive content with the most undervalued, underappreciated coins out there, 1,500x potential, my 2 books of how to become a sophisticated trader, and of course, one-on-one consultation helping you how to navigate through that really difficult bull cycle. I'm not going to lie to you, it is a difficult one, but I still anticipate the biggest altcoin season to happen, and we're all going to benefit out of it. Once again, thank you all, and we'll see each other tomorrow. Goodbye.